Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Yoga is the dance of every cell with the music of every breath that creates inner serenity and harmony. In truth, yoga doesn't take time, it gives time. Yoga is the fountain of youth. You're only as young as your spine is flexible. Every day is a great day for yoga. Yoga is invigoration in relaxation, freedom in routine, confidence through self-control, the energy within and energy without. Yoga is the space where flower blossoms. Yoga is the perfect opportunity to be curious about who you are. Yoga teaches us to cure what need not be endured and endure what cannot be cured. Change only happens in the present moment. The past is already done. The future is just energy and intention. Calming the mind is yoga, not just standing on the head. The body is your temple. Keep it pure and clean for the soul to reside in. The body benefits from movement, and the mind benefits from stillness. The nature of yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corners of the body. Yoga happens beyond the mat. Anything you do with attention to how you feel is doing yoga. The study of asana is not about mastering posture. It's about using posture to understand and transform yourself. Yoga means addition. Addition of energy, strength, and beauty to body, mind, and soul. The very heart of yoga practice is abhyasa, steady effort in the direction you want to go. Meditation is a way for nourishing and blossoming the divinity within you. You may not be able to control the whole world, but you may learn to control your inner world through yoga. It's not about being good at something, it's about being good to yourself. Yoga is not just repetition of a few postures. It is more about the exploration and discovery of the subtle energies of life. It doesn't matter if things aren't perfect. My practice is my time to feel alive, loved, and free. The gift of learning to meditate is the greatest gift you can give yourself in this lifetime. Yoga adds years to your life and life to your years. Yoga is the artwork of awareness on the canvas of body, mind, and soul. Life's too fast, slow down and do yoga. Inner peace begins when you choose not to allow another person or event to control your emotions. Travel light, live light, spread the light, be the light. Your body exists in the past and your mind exists in the future. In yoga, they come together in the present. Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. The attitude of gratitude is the highest yoga. Yoga is a method to come to a non-dreaming mind. Yoga is the science to be in the here and now. Balancing yoga and life is a reflection of our inner state. The The purpose of karma yoga is to transcend the bondage of selfish genes through the service of others. I am standing on my own altar. The poses are my prayers.